Welcome to the Road Reality Channel. On this channel, we present the aftermath of accidents through images and videos so that you can learn from them and avoid repeating the same mistakes. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. In rainy conditions, a bus traveling at high speed on a slippery road crashed into a car ahead, broke through the median barrier, and ended up in a field. Roads don't forgive rushing. Slippery roads are the real danger.
Блядь, блядь, блядь! Блядь, блядь, блядь! Боже, зай! О, боже!
In Brazil, a 16-year-old lost control of a car and crashed into a flower shop. The crash caused significant damage to the store. After the accident, the driver ran away. In Russia, a blue truck pulled out into the path of a KAMAZ truck traveling on the main road, causing a crash. An innocent Kia car was also damaged in the incident. After the collision, drinks were scattered across the roadway. Yielding to vehicles on the main road is essential. Rushing can lead to tragedy. A rare and unexpected incident in Brazil shocked everyone when the tire of a municipal road maintenance vehicle burst and struck a parked car, causing major damage to the vehicle's engine area. In Turkey, 5 people were injured in a chain reaction crash involving an ambulance. In Poland, a 65-year-old driver under the influence of alcohol drove a delivery truck onto a bridge, smashed through the safety barriers, and nearly collided with a passenger car. The impact was so strong that the side door of the truck opened and its cargo spilled onto the ground. Police fined the 65-year-old driver $1,200 for his actions and said he could face up to 2 years in prison.
Yati, wale kila sepede mabadi. La motocicleta sepede abali.
In Thailand, a driver who fell asleep at the wheel crashed through a traffic police booth, destroying it and passing right through. The booth is normally where officers sit to monitor traffic. Fortunately, no one was inside at the time. In Argentina, a truck suffered a mechanical failure while climbing a hill when the trailer's drive shaft broke. The vehicle then rolled downhill out of control, and the tank it was carrying fell onto the street, spilling around 50 tons of cement water. As a result of the incident, the area was flooded, and residents rushed outside after hearing the noise, watching the situation in fear. In the United States, a drunk driver lost control of a garbage truck, crushing 9 cars, totaling 4 of them, knocking down several trees, and destroying the front porch of a house. The loud crash terrified residents, who said it sounded like an earthquake. The driver tried to flee the scene, but was stopped by locals. No one was injured. In Brazil, a truck carrying metal poles overturned on a curve after failing to adjust its speed properly, and the poles scattered all around. Thanks to the quick reflexes of a young man passing by at that moment, the poles did not crush his foot. In Sri Lanka, a bus lost control on a curve, ran off the road, and overturned into the yard of a funeral home. As a result, 21 people were injured and taken to 2 hospitals. Slowing down on curves is essential because you never know what unexpected danger may appear. In China, a concrete mixer truck enters an intersection at high speed, loses control, and overturns. Fortunately, it doesn't fall on any car. The driver of the car that it hits and pushes aside is not injured, while its own driver is rescued from where he was trapped with minor injuries.
没事就好了，东西。
我的生意挺好的，在上班。
没什么生命。
大型车辆视线盲区较大，驾驶车辆时一定要控制好车速，多注意观察道路交通。
In Brazil, a truck transporting an excavator accidentally snagged the side of a parked Land Rover, causing serious damage.
Estava estacionada às margens da rodovia. Com o impacto, a lateral da SUV acabou sendo destruída.
In Turkey, a driver mixed up the gas and the brake, drove the car toward pedestrians on the sidewalk, and plunged into a drop. The pedestrians narrowly avoided serious injury thanks to their quick reactions.